Hey, what's up, everyone? We're at our Tiki Lane lot and we're going to plant a lowland koa tree that was donated by one of our subscribers. Thank you so much. So, we already dug the hole and we are going to experiment and use hinalea, the little fish we caught from Milali'i. And so, we're gonna try and see how this goes. Dump it in the dirt there and hopefully that'll help sustain the plant. So we found out that the lowland koa is a relative of the regular koa tree, and its wood is supposed to be harder than the regular koa. And it seems like it's quite useful. I mean, you can use the um, flowers for a yellow dye, and then you can use the leaves um, and mix it with other plants and use it to treat some skin disorders. That's what they used to do before. So it's quite a useful plant. And so right here we covered it with some dirt and we're going to wet it down and put our tree in. So we got to take it out of the pot. We cut the pot off. It's easier to take it out rather than to pull it out. So remove the pot, place it in the hole, make sure it's upright, straight, and then we're gonna fill it with dirt or our mixture of red cinder and mulch. So this is our mixture here we're putting in on one side and then we're spread it out. Make sure it's all covered. Put our second load of soil mixture and repeat. So I forgot to tell you that the Hawaiian name for the lowland koa is koaea, and the botanical name is Acacia koaea. It's supposed to grow to a height of 15 to 25 feet. So we're gonna sprinkle some water on it and let it grow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.